Today, we will be installing an Nvidia GT1030 GDDR5 2GB graphics card, in our, custom PC number 1, small form factor build. The first step, is unlatching the cover that secures the PCIe slots. Next, I'll remove the blank bracket occupying the slot where the GPU will fit in. I will try to fit it in while aligning the PCIe interface with the notched PCIe slot. It's proving to be more difficult than I thought. Further inspection reveals that the small form factor bracket was bent inward towards the bottom, thus hitting the motherboard, rather than clearing it. A quick straightening should do the trick. And just like that, it's in. The PCIe slot cover can be closed. Now, we will fire up the PC, confirm the fan is in good working order, and run the Unigen Heaven benchmark. The fan is a bit loud, however for a small-sized fan, this is normal. During the Heaven benchmark test, fan noise was consistent, and temps peaked at 68 degrees Celsius. I ran the test on low 1080p, with DirectX 11. Here are the results. In the next video, we will be installing the CPU.